Hello po, good day po sa inyong lahat at sana'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan at patnubayan po ng ating poong may kapal ang bawat isa sa atin. The hottest contestant at the Man of the World 2024 press presentation wowed the audience with their chiseled physique and confident demeanor. The swimmer perfectly showcased their athletic build, while their poised walk and captivating presence left a lasting impression, making them as the standout candidate. First on the list is Italy. Italy's delegate stunned the swimmer segment, showcasing a perfect blend of elegance and athleticism. His toned physique, confident strut, and radiant smile captivating the audience. The swimmer choice accentuated his natural beauty and poise, making him one of the standout contestants in the segment. Philippines. The delegate from the Philippines displayed exceptional grace and charm in the swimmer segment. His well-toned body combined with a confident walk and vibrant personality drew cheers from the audience. And the swimmer highlighted his curve and athletic build, making him a strong contender. Ecuador. Ecuador's representative brought a dynamic presence to the swimmer segment with a striking figure and confident demeanor. He effortlessly commanded the stage, and his choice of swimmer complemented his physique, highlighting his athletic build and captivating the judges. Korea. Korea's delegate impressed with his slick and elegant appearance in the swimmer segment. His toned body and graceful movement showcase his dedication to fitness, and the swimmer enhanced his silhouette, emphasizing his natural beauty and confident stage presence. Malaysia. Malaysia's contestant exuded confidence and poise in the swimmer segment. His fit and toned physique combined with a captivating smile made him a standout. The swimmer, he wore perfectly accentuated his curves, highlighting his a strong contender. France. The French delegate radiated sophistication and charm in the swimmer segment, his well-proportioned figure and elegant walk captivating the audience. The swimmer choice highlighted his natural beauty and athleticism, making him one of the memorable contestants. Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Hinihiling ko ang inyong tulong sa pag-like, pagkomento at pagbahagi ng aking munting channel. Pagpalain kayo ng may kapal sa inyong kabutihan at pagmamalasakit. Bye-bye!